Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alia Zahra. I am a student from English Education Department. So here I will do the assignment from Ma'am Riza, the subject second language acquisition. So here I choose the question number 3. The question is, what is left and right hemisphere? So here are the explanation. Keep on watching. So the answer is, the brain is divided into symmetrical left and right hemisphere. Each hemisphere is in charge of the opposite of the side of the body. So your right brain controls your left hand, and the right hemisphere also takes in sensory input from your left side. So the hemisphere are two symmetrical sides that divide the cerebrum. This hemisphere is also known as the cerebral hemisphere. The left hemisphere has a more analytical and rational way of working, while the right hemisphere has a more holistic and intuitive cognitive style. And then the right hemisphere has the control to recognize nonverbal sound, such as animal howl. The right hemisphere also has a function to recognize words accurately and quickly, so that individuals can speak well. And then the human brain system can be divided into three. The first is brain large, and then we call it cerebrum, and then cerebellum, and then brainstem. Most part of the brain important in language activities is the big brain. The part of the cerebrum that directly involved in language processing is the cerebral cortex. This section manage the process cognitive function in humans, and one of them, of course, is language. And the cerebral cortex consists of two parts, namely the left hemisphere and then the right hemisphere. The right hemisphere controls processing spatial and visual information. And then, while the left hemisphere is function to control language activities besides, of course, and other cognitive process. And the left hemisphere is considered to be more dominant in language. Why is that? Because the first discoverer of the language center in the left hemisphere of the brain is Carl Wernicke. And there is a scientist who has observed this problem. And from the discoveries of the expert to the people who were damaged, the left hemisphere of the brain that caused the person to experience disturbance in language, it can be concluded that language is on the left brain hemisphere. Here are the table of specialization of left and right hemisphere and the function of it. Even though many language function rely on an intact left hemisphere, as Broca and Wernicke note, the right hemisphere certainly participates in verbal communication. The right side is much better at deciphering prosody and accentuation, while the left is the home of the grammar police and the dictionary. Okay, that's all my explanation about the question number 3 about the left and the right hemisphere. Thank you for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.